All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. We're doing here at number 7 from 1-7, pre-calc. And we're going to need a picture for this. So a Newton is a force. That's what this N is. It's a Newton. So we have a 33 Newton force acting at 90 degrees. So let's draw a good picture for these. And then we have a 44 Newton force acting at 60 degrees. And we're going to need to get these vectors into vector form, but let's just start with a picture. What is the magnitude and direction of the third force that produces an equilibrium at that point? So we want all of these forces to add to 0. So I would think, honestly, I think that's probably the answer. It looks symmetric to me. Okay? But let's do the math. We'll call this one U. We'll call this one V. And we'll call this one X. It's easy to figure out what U is. It's 0, 33. But I want to help you with that. So it's actually, I think, 33 times the sine of 90 times the cosine of 90. Let's see if that works. Aha! Okay, I screwed that up. So let's see. This is X, Y, and R. So cosine is the X, sine is the Y. So let's see, this should be cosine, and this should be sine. And let's see if that works. So sine of 90 is 1, cosine of 90 should be 0 then, because sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So indeed, this is a good way to get a unit vector. 33 times 0 is 0. 33 times 1 is 33. So let's use that same strategy to find V. V will be 44 times the cosine of 60, the sine of 60. Let's do it without the calculator. We know that this is 60 degrees. And so this is 1, 2, radical 3. So cosine of 60 is 1/2. 1/2 of 44 is 22. Sine of 60 is radical 3 over 2. Radical 3 over 2 times 44 would be 22 radical 3. Now let's type 44 times the sine of 60 into our calculator and see what. And let's do 22 radical 3. All right, good. So we got it right. All right. So now we know what U is and we know what V is. And we want equilibrium. Add these three things up. You want the net force to be 0 on this point. So we would set up an equation. U plus V plus X equals 0. All right. 0, 33 plus 22, 22 radical 3 plus x1, y1 equals 0. All right. Let's just combine these two. So you get 22 comma 22 radical 3 plus 33. Oh, my intellect was wrong. My intuition was wrong. So if I could tell that where I put this is not going to be right, it's actually, I think, going to need to be in this direction somewhere. But let's just keep going. This is why you do the math. All right, so x equals negative 22, y equals negative 22 radical 3 plus 33. Let's go ahead and put those in our calculator, so just get it as a decimal. So 22, well, there it is, 38.10511 plus 33. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Plus 33, so add another 30 to that. So it should be negative 22, comma, negative 71 point, here, let me go back up to this. 33 is what I have to push. So, negative 71.105. So this is the answer to the question in vector form, but that's not what they want. They want the direction and the magnitude. So the magnitude of x is the square root of 22 squared plus 71.105 squared. Okay, so it's 74.4 newtons. And then let's sketch a picture. Alright, so you got negative 22, negative 71.105. Let's do the tangent inverse of that. So tangent of theta is 71.105 divided by 22. So to find the angle, I got to take the second tangent. Second tangent of 71.105 divided by 22. So you get theta is 72.8 degrees. But that's not the way they want the answer. We're going to have to add 180 to that to get the actual answer, because of the way the information was given to us. So you get 252.8 degrees with a magnitude of 74.4 newtons. And that 252, sorry, ViewSonic. And that's the answer to the question. Boom!